name's Steve Boyle, Business Development Manager for High Energy Service. At HES, we are different because we're specialised in HV and high energy. We focus on what we know and we do that well. Unique facilities within our office here would be our calibrations business, where we've got the internal lab. We've also got the external truck that can drive around. We've got the Yorkshire test base, which is I suppose one of a kind, enables us to do real detailed testing, something that can't be done on site. At HES we have a real diverse range of clients, ranging from mining, oil and gas, utilities including the Water Corporation. We have facility management businesses and high-rise, hospitals, universities, basically anything with the critical and important infrastructure we can manage.
We're at the QB1 building in the city. It's a brand new high-rise building managed by facility management company CBRE. We've come out today to do some high voltage switching on a YF6 circuit breaker. It's to prove the functionality of generator 3 YF6.
What gives me a buzz working for HES is our customer orientated approach. Everything is surrounded by putting the customer first, servicing their needs. Getting good feedback from the customer is always a buzz.